Daniel McDonald steps in now. He's the designated hitter for Miami, without a hit this season. Throw to first. Cora back in there. Two outs, no score here in the top of the second inning. Pitch just outside. Another beautiful day here in north central Florida. Not nearly as breezy as it was yesterday, but very mild temperatures. Cloud cover in some parts. In fact, we had just a brief sprinkle just before the game started, but we don't expect to have any significant rain today as the sun now finds its way through the clouds. It'll be kind of an in and out sunshine day today. 1-0 pitch. Check swing, but they bring him up there, and it's now 1-1.
They got McDonald because of his power. You look at him, he's a big guy. Did he go? Quite definitely. That hits his bat, it might be a home run. Hit 15 home runs last year for Valencia Community College, which led the state junior colleges.
Ball one and strike one. Again, Kaufman will watch Cora at first base. There's a ground ball. Tamargo, ranging to his right, will make the long throw to first.